The whole place is filled with water, guys. Wow. Yo, Gambia, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Augustus Vlog. Guys, see the rain? Gambia is raining. Wow. We are right now here in Serekunda Market. This is the rain here in the Gambia. This is the official building. Oh guys, see this flooding water here on the highway. Gambia, nice. See the rainy season? We are during the rainy season. The whole place is filled with water, guys. Wow. Hey! Boy, Gambia, we finna pahla boy. Hey! Yo! We are here in Tipa Garage, guys. See, the whole place is covered with water, guys. Wow. See? It's the Gambia. Wow. Guys, you can even see the road. The whole place is surrounded by water. You see? The water gets into the gutters, but still now, the place is full with water. Gambia. Gambabas. Kayu deh. Guys, you see? Water all over the place.
Yes, all over the water.
Wow. We are here in Tipa Garage. See? Need to make water tunnel on this road so that the water will pass. But they didn't do that. Guys, as you hear the thunder, the rain is not yet done. It's coming back in a minute. Guys, you see? I'm walking in the water.
Water is walking in you.
Gambia, nice. They make roads, but they need to make water channel. Guys, we get it into the van.